Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am Amaldan. Today in this video we are going to see one interesting topic which is very useful for your exams. That is shortcut method to write two-digit tables. I think you all know how to write 1 to 10 tables. Someone know how to write 10 to 15 tables. What about 28 tables and 99 tables? For that I am going to say one simple trick. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. If you are ready, let's start. Friends, now we will take one two-digit number. We will take 36. 3 and then 6. The first step is we need to write the 3 tables in the straight way. That is the multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and then 30. Now we have to write the 3 tables here. Now the next step we need to write the 6 tables here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and then 60. Now we have write the 3 tables here and the 6 tables here. Now we will do. Now the first step is, if it is like the 2 digit, we can write as it is, as 36. And then for 3 digit numbers, we need to write this ones place as it is. 2 and we need to add this tens with this ones, that is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. And we need to write the ones place as it is here. 8. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And we need to write the 4 as it is here. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 0 we need to write here. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 180. 6 in the ones place here. When we add this, 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 2 we need to write as it is here. We need to add this 21 with 4, that is 25. 8 as it is here. 24 plus 4, that is equal to 28. 4 we need to write here is the ones. We need to add 27 plus 5, that is 32. We need to write this 0 here. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Friends, see how easily we have taught the 36 tables. By using this method, we can write any two-digit tables. Now we will see one another example to understand it more clearly. In that we will do it a bit faster. I have written slowly to explain the method and to understand the method to you in very simply. Now we will see one another example. We will take 74 tables. Now we will write the 7 tables multiples here and the 4 tables multiples here. And then we will do this. Now we will do this here. 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and then 70. Now we will write this table, 4 tables. 8, 12, 16, 20, 34, 28, 32, 36 and then 40. Friends, now we will put the equal to symbol and write it. 74. We need to write the 8 in the ones place as it is, and we need to, if there is no tens place here, we can write this 14 as it is here. 14. 21 plus 1 is equal to, we need to write the ones here. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22, equal to this 6 we need to write in the one place. 28 plus 1 is equal to 29, equal to, put the 0 in the ones place. 35 plus 2 is equal to 37, equal to 4 in the ones place. 42 plus 4 is equal to 44, equal to 8 here. 41 plus 49 plus 2 is equal to 51. 2 here now. 56 plus 3 is equal to 59. 6 as it is here. We need to add this to 63 plus 3 is equal to 66. And 0 here. 70 plus 4 is equal to 74. See how easily we have wrote these 74 tables here. Now we will take one another number and set a timer and see how fast we are doing. I have taken 92 tables. Go to clock and I have put stopwatch here. I will keep it in the corner and we will start to write. Now I have finished the tables. See, I have finished the 92 tables here. I have done in 52 seconds. See how fast I have done using this method. If you do that method, you need to add and it will take more time. In exams, you can use this method to do it in very fast and you can do it in correct. In maths, we need to do it fast and in correction is very important. So that you can use this method to do in exams also. Friends, today in this video we have seen shortcut method to write 2-digit tables. Any 2-digit table, you also practice this method at home. I am not comfortable in writing in this board, and if I write in my pen and paper, it will take only less time to write. You also try this method at home and you give how much seconds you do this method in the comment section. If you like this method, like and comment to put more shortcut methods for maths, and don't forget to send these videos to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.